Hi, ready to speak English with me? Just listen and repeat after me. Let's start. Section 1. Greetings and Introductions. Hi, how are you? Repeat after me. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Emma. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from the United States. I'm from the United States. Section 2. Daily Routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I come home at 6 p.m. I come home at 6 p.m. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I go to bed at 11. I go to bed at 11. Section 3. At a restaurant. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Can I have a bottle of water? Can I have a bottle of water? For here or to go? For here or to go? To go, please. To go, please. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Section 4. Small talk and feelings. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? I'm a little tired today. I'm a little tired today. I'm so excited for the weekend. I'm so excited for the weekend. I don't feel very well. I don't feel very well. I'm really happy today. I'm really happy today. Section 5. Common responses. That's great. That's great. No problem. No problem. Sounds good. Sounds good. I don't know. I don't know. Let me check. Let me check. Exactly. Exactly. Great job. You spoke English today, and every day you'll get better. Don't forget to repeat these sentences again tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep smiling. See you next time.